If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making DAHI PAKHALA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cumin seeds and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it. In per serving we will need quarter teaspoon of that. Then take some ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. In per serving we will need quarter inch long ginger. Then about 1 cup of fine rice, which is also known as Arua rice. And the type I am using is known as Sita Bhog. And half a teaspoon of salt. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using the same. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. So if you are using an earthen pot, place it on medium flame. Then to that, add about 3 cups of water. As the earthen pot will soak up the water, that's why we are using 3 cups. But if you are making this in any other regular pan, then add about 2.5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Now to this, add the salt in all the rice and over medium to higher flame, boil this till all the moisture is gone, that's the water contained, and rice is completely cooked. And do not cover it, and it should be done. Now in a pot, take 3/4 cup of the rice, and to that add the ginger powder and a pinch of salt, followed by quarter cup of curd or dahi. Now combine these really well and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Dahi Pakhala. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.